Ever since it first appeared, the Casa C-212 has shown an operational capability that has made it the unquestionable leader in the light military transport aircraft market. More than 2,500,000 flight hours, more than 460 aircraft sold, 90 operators in more than 35 countries. Its sturdiness, simplicity and reliability enabled the aircraft to operate in the toughest weather conditions and on unpaved runways. Its spacious cargo cabin and rear ramp provide the enormous versatility required for making loading, unloading, and configuration changes easier. Its flight qualities and excellent design guarantee the best cost-efficiency ratio in the light military transport segment. Continually striving to modernize and improve its products according to market requirements, the EADS Military Transport Aircraft Division has developed the new Series 400 version. Based on accumulated experience, the Casa C-212-400 improves aircraft operativeness. The Series 400 features a new -12JR version of the Allied Signal TPE 331 engine, optimizing its hot and high performance. The flight cabin has been totally updated, including an instrument panel that features new 4-screen EFIS avionics, an integrated engine data system that also includes a warning indication system showing information on 2 liquid crystal displays, and a flight management system. The ergonomics of the cabin have also been improved, reducing the crew's workload. The Casa C-212-400's enhanced versatility allows it to carry out a wide variety of tactical and logistical missions. A completely modernized and spacious cabin enables operators to install the most advanced search and detection systems. Its 360-degree ventral radar, together with its weapons capability and the possibility of installing supplementary underwing fuel tanks with a 1,000-liter capacity, make the C-212-400 an efficient platform for maritime surveillance and patrol missions. The characteristics of the new Series 400 guarantee the Casa C-212's success in the next century. Sturdy, reliable, and able to operate where no other aircraft can.